Hi guys, in today's video I am about to show you a secret method using which you can make $100 every single day. Yes, you heard it right. This is a very easy to do method and you can easily make $100 every single day following all the things I am going to show you in this video. So before wasting other time, let's get started. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. The first thing you need to do is you need to come to this website called as pexels.com. As you can see that it's spelling as pexels.com. Now when you come to this website, you can see that it is a place where you get free stock photos and videos. So I can search for anything here and they'll show me pictures related to the search term. Now you need to search for a term called as money. Now when you search for the term called as money, you'll see that there are lots and lots of pictures coming related to money. So what you have to do is you have to use these images. Now I am about to show you how to actually use these images. So as you can see, there are currencies of all types. What you need to do is you need to search for US dollars. So I'll search for money and then I'll type dollar. So now it will show me lots and lots of US dollars related pictures. As you can see that this is a very attractive picture and within just a click you can download its free version. You can even see that what is the size. If you want a medium size, you can do that and then click on free download. Now as you can see that when I click on this image has been downloaded to my computer and it looks very professional. So how do you use these images? How do you make money using this? I am about to show you in this video. Now you need to do one more thing, that you'll also find videos, not just photos on this website. As you can see that there are lots and lots of really cool videos that you can use directly from this website. You can see that there are US dollars with high quality. You can see that people are using money in various ways. So you can use all of these videos. Now this is not just the only website. I'm about to show you one more website and that website is called as Pixabay. So on Pixabay as well you can find hundreds and hundreds of free images related to any term. For example, if I write money here and then you see lots and lots of pictures related to money making, which are all free to use. You can use all of these pictures for free without any copyright issues. So here as well you can use these pictures and you can use these pictures from Pixels as well. And in the same way you'll also find videos on this website as well. Like if you just don't want videos, if you don't want images, you can go for videos as well, and they'll also show you lots and lots of videos related to money. So now what you need to do is you need to download these pictures and then you need to go to a website called as Imager. So Imager is a website, it's the magic of the internet. You can see that you'll find amazing pictures on this website. If you go to Imager, you'll see that people have uploaded lots and lots of interesting content and people have an ability to upvote them. When someone clicks on anything, they'll not just see the picture but they'll also see the tags along with that. If they have added some description or links, they'll also see that. One example of that I would like to show you right now. So when I go to Imager and I click on this, now as you can see that they have added multiple pictures and I have also added a link. So in the same way you also have to add a link here along with the picture you have just downloaded. So what you need to do is you need to go to Imager and then you have to click on new post and then it will ask you to create your account. So if you don't have an account yet, you can create one. Otherwise you can simply follow the process of signing up. It's a very simple to use method. Now here you have to upload the image. So I'll drag and drop this image and within a few seconds this image will be uploaded. Now once the image is uploaded, you need to add a description here. So in the description you have to add the link. So now what is the link, what is the description? But before you do that, you need to make sure you have entered lots and lots of hashtags. So enter a hashtag and enter money and then it will give you recommendations, money. Then you need to enter more hashtags. So you see there are lots of hashtags related to this and use these hashtags. And here at this place you have to add a link. Now if you add any link directly here, it won't allow you because according to them this is spam. So what you need to do is you need to add spaces between the link. Now which link you have to add first, let's talk about that and then I'll show you a live example. So there is this website called as featurepoints.com, and it gives you rewards to make money online. You can go to this website. They have lots of options of earning money, like you can complete surveys, you can earn cashbacks, you can download apps and make points and make money. So you have all of this stuff, but what's important to us is this thing: share with friends and earn. You'll get an option to share this app from your unique link, and when your friends install this app and earns points, you will also get referral bonus. So that's the best part. Now how much money you can make? Well, as you can see that Feature Points website login dashboard looks like this. You need to come to this and then click on share with friends. When you click that, it will give you a unique link of yours which you need to use. Now as you can see that they have written here that you'll earn 25% of your referrals points, and if you have more people to refer, you'll earn 50% of all the points your referral earns. That means for the first referral you'll just make 25%, but for the other 3 referrals which you do, you'll be making 50% of their points. That means if they earn 100 points, you get 50. If they earn 10,000 points, you get 5,000. So this is incredible money. These points which you have earned will be directly converted to cash from this option of cash. So you can see that you can get PayPal rewards directly as soon as you have some points to take care of. Now how to use these links? So that's what I was talking about. You need to come here, and here after adding these hashtags, write and here you have to add your link. Now this link directly won't work. So what you need to do is you need to add 2 spaces in between so that people are able to see this link. Otherwise ImageGur won't approve this link. So what you need to do is right here, remove space, and then you just need to click on post button and publish it on the internet. That's how easy it is. You can even earn tags like these. As you can see that this link is not active anymore. People need to remove this backspace. You move the space and they'll be getting the complete link which is here. You need to enter this text called as removed space so that people are able to remove these texts and use it. This is a guidance for them. We are basically hacking the algorithm of ImageGur to post these URLs. Otherwise they don't allow to post such URLs. So guys, this was the complete system and method using which you can easily make hundreds of dollars daily. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.